guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have August American Cocktail Club. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my August American Cocktail Club box just arrived, and I'm kind of so curious to find out what kind of cocktail I will be making this month. Now, if you guys do not know about this particular company, American Cocktail Club is you got it, it's a cocktail subscription box. They have everything but the booze box for $34.99. The box contains all of the ingredients except the alcohol to make 4 servings of a world-class cocktail. They have the everything box for $44.99. Everything including the alcohol to make 4 servings of a world-class cocktail. We spend months contacting mixologists from around the world to come up with a perfect balanced cocktail for you. Yes, you heard that right. You can make from the comfort of your home. Every month we partner with a leading bar industry professional to curate a cocktail using our all-natural 3 Michelin star cocktail mixes. These cocktails are packaged neatly with any other fun ingredients or garnishes needed to dress up the drink. Now they send you everything, but if the recipe calls for like mint or some like fresh part of produce to put in there, that's not included. So let's go ahead and see what we're gonna be making. And they definitely do pack it very good. So the American Cocktail Club and watermelon. We are going to be making a watermelon paloma. I'm not quite sure, but I'm excited about watermelon. I don't care what it's called. So that is the drink that I will be making. And that is the person who curated this particular cocktail. So what we have inside is, we have 4 things of, and these are the first time I actually have glass. Normally they're plastic. But this is a tequila, silver, 40% alcohol by volume. There's 4 of these glass jars of tequila. Here is a watermelon mojito right there. Then we have a grapefruit. I'm not a huge grapefruit fan, but hopefully with the alcohol and the watermelon, it dilutes the grapefruit taste to me, because I'm all for watermelon, but not for grapefruit. And then this looks like, this would be, this is cilantro salt to put around the rim of the drinks. So the recipe is 1 ounce of watermelon mojito, 1.5 ounce of tequila, 1.7 ounce of the grapefruit soda, and the cilantro salt. Place cilantro salt into a plate and wet the rim of your glass. Invert the glass into the cilantro salt and rim glass with salt. Combine all the ingredients over ice in your glass and garnish with a wedge of fresh lime. Do I have lime? No, I have lemon. I don't have fresh lime right now. So we're not going to do the fresh lime on the side, but everything else I'm gonna go ahead and do. So I'm going to pause here. I'm gonna go make this bad boy, and I'm going to be back to let you know what I think of it. Okay, you guys, so I made the drink. And since it's only me and my man, I don't do it for 4. I just put everything together and we both just get one deluxe size drink that should technically be for 2 different people. So there's 2 things of tequila in here. There's half of the grapefruit, like club soda or whatever that stuff is. And then half of the watermelon mojito thing. Anyway, I rimmed my thing, and let's see here. I have my little flower from my Fruit for Thought box. Where's the watermelon? Blah. I don't taste any watermelon. If I'm tasting anything, it's the grapefruit and I don't care for grapefruit. Whoa. It's not that it's very strong. It's just the flavor. I mean, I'm gonna drink it. Would I order this at the bar and then get a second one? Hell no. I gave my man his and he like licked the side. He took a drink and he was like making this really weird face, and I'm like, is that from the salt or is that from the drink? Because I haven't drank it yet, and I'm just, now I need to know, like, which way is that? He's like, it's from the drink. And I was like, oh, great. But I see what he's talking about, because it's making me like close this eye every time I swallow. So yeah, it's I don't know what, okay, I know what I was thinking when I ordered this box, because I did my vino, which is wine, and I saw a cocktail club and I was like, cool, you know, that's kind of neat. Some type of another adult alcoholic beverage subscription box that I could bring to show you guys. The first month was really, really bad. The second month was a little bit okay. I can't remember if this is my third or my fourth. I bought a 6-month subscription. So unfortunately, I do have a few more months. And a lot of you guys are telling me, you know, for $45, you can definitely buy stuff at the store to make more than 4 drinks. Their thing is that they search all over the world to find a premium cocktail like drink that you're not just going to be able to go and make yourself or think of making yourself. And I get that. I get the concept of it. But I don't honestly think that it's worth it. Am I going to renew? No, I'm not. Am I glad that I did it? Yes, because now you know if you should spend the money or not. And I know not to get it again. But at least we get to see what it would be. And it's kind of neat to see the different, because every month it's a new drink that we're making. So I do appreciate that every month it's a new drink. I get to try out new things. But the only thing I don't really like is sometimes, well, not sometimes, some people are tequila drinkers, some people aren't. Some people like whiskey, some people don't. So when you get the drink, you don't have a choice. It's not like they have a profile that you get to choose like which way you like it, which things you don't like, that kind of thing. Like grapefruit, I don't like grapefruit. So I wouldn't have chose this if I had other options. I feel like maybe they should have maybe 2 to 3 different variations and let the subscriber choose which one to try. Because again, I know there's a lot of people that do not like whiskey. There's a lot of people that don't like tequila. There's a lot of people that don't like specific types of alcohol when it comes to hard alcohol, but they don't give you an option. They send you whatever they're doing for that month. And to me, I just feel like that there should be some type of a variation, because if you are one that do not like whiskey, like last month they were whiskey, you wouldn't even like it anyways. You'd like to even try it because you don't like whiskey, period. So it's not like it's the type of drink or the different flavors that they incorporate. It's the type of alcohol that I feel they should at least have a profile to where you can stick to the ones you want, or curate 2 to 3 different ones per month and let the subscriber choose. That's just my own personal opinion, because I'm always going to be honest with you guys. Me personally, I would not make this again. I'm going to drink it to drink it, because I just spent $45 on 2 of these cups. And again, I'm not going to renew it. So I have a few more boxes. We'll try out a few more drinks a few more times with you guys, and that'll be all for the American Cocktail Club. I don't think it's a bad subscription. I think A, it's a little bit overpriced for what you get, and B, I don't like the fact that you cannot customize the type of alcohol that you get sent. That's just, again, my own personal opinion. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video and seeing this not so watermelon drink. And that's another thing, when I saw watermelon, my face probably lit up. I'm like, yay, watermelon, I love watermelon. But I do not taste not one tinge of anything being watermelon. So why are you calling this watermelon? And why, there goes that left eye. And why would you put grapefruit with when you're trying to be watermelon. I just don't get that. I just don't get that. So, whoa. All right, you guys, that is all. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Go ahead and comment down below. What do you think? Do you think you would have liked this month? Do you like this box in general? Your positive interaction with me means the world, so definitely comment down below and let me know what you think. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.